Welcome to Rebellion Off-Road. Welcome back for another episode. Today we're out camping. We're going to show you around our camp what we did this time around, different from last time. So I've been working on my bear fence and I think I'm complete. We're, like I said, right in grizzly country here. So we're going to show you exactly what we did. So this product that I bought is called Fifth Ops. And what it is just a little trip pin that you can use a 12 gauge shotgun shell. It's just a primer. It's not an actual, it's not loaded or anything like that. So it's just a primer shell. So you can put it in there, and we're not using that type. We have an adapter, so we have tiny little shotgun primer shells, but they honestly do the job really well. They're very loud. And once again, this is not to say that a bear won't come in, but at least it'll notify me, because at night what you notice is when it's windy out, the tent is shaking, you don't know what you're hearing out there. Is that something, you know, moving on the rocks? This way, whatever goes in here is gonna trip that pin. It's just gonna happen. So
you're saying it's just a warning system?
It warns me.
Okay.
And if it scares the big animal or whatever animal's in our camp that's not supposed to be, then it's done its job. I hope it works. So this is what I got. I moved it up quite a bit from the ground. So we're probably over a foot. We're probably about 16 inches or so. And then what we do is we got the pin. It's already set. I was going to use monofilament line, but I found it's just too stretchy. So I've used my spider wire, a lot stronger. Can't even see it. And so the pins, I don't have a shell in here right now. So, but we'll set it up later on tonight. We got some patio lights that we put up. We got these big LED lights, and they're pointed out to the ends of our camp so that we can see what's out here. But we got one on each side. So we got one for the bathroom / change room. And we brought our Nemo tent out. So these are being able to be switched from inside my tent. We brought the diesel heater out because it's now that time of year. Basically what we're doing today is it's just a shakedown run of all the stuff that we have for our winter camping. We've ordered a new product. It should be here probably, I don't know, a few weeks, I think. And we're gonna show you that one. It should be a game changer for winter camping and stuff like that. Yeah, and we got sort of like an electrical mess here, but it's all organized. Goes into the back. I got my power source here. So we're ready to go. So right now we didn't bring any solar panels because we're only out for the weekend. Next weekend we'll have the panels and everything else. So
yeah, one day's not enough to bring all that stuff.
Right now we're just running the fridge, so that's all we really need, and lights at night. So this little patio lights, what I got here is a little photo eye. So when it gets dark out tonight, that'll come on. So I don't even have to do anything. I'll set it up. I got it set so that when the sun goes down, it'll probably come on for 2 hours. We're usually not up too late. It gets too cold at night. We'll have a fire tonight with our propane fire. It's still too dangerous to run just a normal fire. I know there's people doing it up here, but I just don't want to be responsible for our fire. So we're going to bring our propane one. It's cleaner, shuts off. We don't have to worry about ambers. The wind is pretty strong in this area, so we'll just leave it at that. Come around the front. So this is all just perimeter. This is all just a perimeter fence.
Can't even see it.
Can't even see it. So when I put it up high enough, you know, like if a coyote goes under, it goes under. But I'm more worried about the big animals. I don't think a bear is going to crawl under that. If he does, good for him, but I don't think he's going to do it.
And then we've set up our fire area here because it's within the perimeter. Everything within the perimeter.
It's like Jurassic Park. We got the perimeter. When we have a breach, we have to run.
But this camp trip is just a test run, right?
Everything's
of all the
just-
equipment that we have.
Yeah, it's close to home, just in case something doesn't work, right? We're not close to home. It's closer than where we normally go.
Yeah.
Usually we're about 2 to 3 hours away, so you know.
This is about an hour, right?
This is easy an hour, but you know, it's close enough that if something happened or didn't work, we're not going to freeze to death out here. It's supposed to get down to +1 tonight. So in Fahrenheit, I'll put it up in the corner. But yeah, that's going to be a little bit chilly for camping, but we got -40 sleeping bags, I believe they are. And I still haven't got my thing that I wanted. It costs too much right now. We just don't have that kind of money, but I want a trail rack system. This will all change. I know I got comments on, you know, it's better to have it on a tire rack. I get it. And yes, I do agree 100%. Anything you can make better is always the best way to go. But I plan to put a Rotopack on it, and I plan to install the diesel heater on the side. So when I'm at home, I connect it once and that's it. When I get to site, it'll just be connect hoses and done. I won't have to, you know, muck around with anything. It's just be way easier.
Okay.
So that's a future project whenever I get the pack racks. It's time for an adult beverage.
Yes.
There's no kids around today, so
Yeah, we're all by ourselves
that's
today,
good
so.
and bad.
Yeah.
But we'll get used to it. We got Ruby somewhere.
Ruby?
Ruby's just enjoying herself.
Where
Here she
is
comes.
Ruby?
Hi, Rubes.
Hi, Rubes.
Welcome for the camping trip. Oh,
Say
don't
hi.
get all choked up. You better not have been
Okay.
chewing grass. Wanted to say, when we came back from the expo, next time we'll have to bring a lot more money because we ran out pretty quick. We bought this new front runner set. It's very common. A lot of people have this set, but it has everything in it that you need. A nice foldable kit. It's got everything. Knife, wine opener, spoons, forks, some big knives, little knives, and a cutting board. So everything you need, you know, and I forget what we paid, like $100? Pretty close, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's well worth it. You know, this sort of stuff you pack up nice and small. You know, that's about what you need when you're camping, is just compact, right? So lightweight, and it's good.
Okay, so Paul is going to set off the bear warning system. So he wants me close to the ignition. Figures I'll be close to it and I'll get hurt or something. Oh, warned me? I was talking. I was like, yeah, Paul wants me beside it. And then all of a sudden it went off. Anyways, it works. So it's very loud and it scared the hell out of me. So I'm sure if we're sleeping and a bear comes through and triggers it, it's going to wake us up. What do you think, Paul? Was that loud?
Yeah, my dog set it off too. I didn't.
Yeah.
It
Wow.
works.
Fast, easy, and delicious. Doesn't take much to make these. So what do you think?
It's healthy. It tastes really good too.
And it's fast and it's easy. When you're camping, you don't want a lot of cleanup and you don't want to have to be doing gourmet meals.
Yep.
They just have to fill you. That's all.
And it's not high scented foods, so you're not going to get the bears coming in.
Exactly.
Like you can't beat this view, right? That's one hell of a view.
Coffee time by the fire. Nothing like it. It's getting cold out tonight. Feels cool already. We're huddled around this propane fire pit pretty good. We're talking about going to bed early just because it's warm up there. So
Yeah, it's chilly out. Starting to, feels like fall.
yeah, we went for a little walk already.
That is beautiful, eh? Sun is setting. How's the coffee? Is it good?
Yeah, starting to freak me out. Good. Huh? Coffee is great.
It's beautiful.
It's so quiet. It's scary quiet.
Oh, don't say it's scary. I don't want it to be scary.
Scary quiet.
I do not want it to be scary quiet. Well, the sun is actually like setting behind you. It's actually really cute. Well, yeah, it's cool.
Cute.
Not really cute. But
Make sure I don't cut that one out.
Good morning, Ruby.
Good morning. Got to start your day off right with a nice hot cup of joe before we start this takedown part thing.